Once again I'm back with a new video tutorial which is related to the Turkey VPS. As you know that I have already explained or uploaded new 3 videos about the Turkey VPS, and in this video I have already explained that Turkey VPS of first plan, second plan and third plan. Now today I will explain about the fourth plan of Turkey VPS. So let's start. As you know that I am from Onlive Server. Onlive Server is the leading server hosting company which provide all type of hosting solution and hosting plans at very affordable price. So let's start now this video. So basically, if you require the dedicated or VPS or any other type of hosting solution, you can log into the Onlive Server, that is onliveserver.com. Whenever you click on the or log into the onliveserver.com, here you will see the some of the navigation options such as dedicated VPS, cloud hosting and services, domain registration, and these are some of the navigation options. So we require the dedicated VPS plan basically. So click on the VPS option. Whenever you click on the VPS option, here you will see the multiple country wise VPS hosting plan now, and our targeted location is the Turkey VPS. Now click on the Turkey VPS. Whenever you click on the Turkey VPS, here show the approximate four plan, and 3 plan I have already explained. Like the first plan available at just $21, and the second plan was available at just $39, and the third one plan is available at just $79. And today in this video I will explain about the fourth plan that is available at just $21. Now first we have to understand that for whom will this plan be the best suitable basically now, and why this plan is the very important or best suitable for those companies who can't afford the higher amount of plan. So basically this plan is a custom plan, and you can choose up to the 4 core of processor, up to the 16 GB of the RAM, and up to the 300 GB of hard disk, and the third plan, and these are the third plan that is already explained about the first plan and second plan and third plan, that is the predefined plan. So in this plan you can't do any kind of the changes or any kind of the modifications, and that is a predefined plan. Now the fourth one plan is the custom plan where you can customize according to your business requirement or need. So if you require the 3 core of processor or to the 20 GB of RAM or 30 GB of RAM or any other GB of the RAM, so you can choose this one plan that is according to your convenient or according to your business requirement, and this plan available at just $21. Now if you require this plan, just click on the buy now button. Whenever you click on the buy now button, and the configure page will be displayed. In this plan display all the configuration of this plan, and whatever you are getting this plan, like you are getting up to the 8 core of the processor, and 8 GB of RAM, and 1 dedicated IP, and the fully managed also, and the helpline will be support and customer support you will get through the Skype or ticket. Okay, now whenever scroll the page, here the configure server. Now you have to fill your domain name, like your domain name. Okay, now put up your password, whatever you want to keep it. Okay, now scroll some of page. Now here you will see the configurable options like CPU, like 1 CPU, and the additional CPU, if you require the additional CPU you have to pay, and RAM, the 512 MB of RAM, hard disk will be 20 GB, operating system will be these are some of the operating system, like wide range of operating system are available, and some of the free and some of the chargeable, like Windows 2008 is the chargeable, and SUSE, Fedora, Debian, Ubuntu and CentOS, these are some of the free operating system. Okay, control panels, these are some of the paid control panels, and as you know that you have already getting the 1 dedicated IP. The data center location will be the Istanbul, Turkey. Now whenever getting these informations, click on the continue button. Whenever you click on the continue button, the review and checkout page will be displayed. Just click on the checkout option. Whenever you click on the checkout option, here you have to fill some of the necessary information. like first name, last name, email address and phone numbers. And here also fill your company details like company name and company address. And whenever you click on the whenever you scroll your page, and here you will see the payment details like payment methods. Choose according to your business requirement or according to your convenient, like you can choose the pay money and net banking or debit card through, and ideal, whatever. These are the some of the payment method like a UniPay, Union Pay. Okay, so choose according to your convenient and do the payment. Okay, I hope this video is informative and you like this video. Thank you for watching this video, and keep watching and keep smiling. Thank you.